Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error Van 185 problem. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Experiencing the Vanguard error Van 185 in League of Legends can be frustrating, but here are some steps you can take to resolve it. Basic troubleshooting. Restart the League and Riot clients. Close any open windows and ensure the app is not running in the background. Go to the taskbar, click the upward arrow icon, right-click on the Riot client or League client icon, and select Exit. Relaunch the client to see if the issue is resolved. Log out of multiple devices. If you have multiple devices using the same League of Legends account, log out of your League account on all devices except your main one. Advanced fixes. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open the Windows search bar and type in Control Panel. Select the first matching result to go to Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Once the software is removed, open up the Riot client. You should see an update option next to the League of Legends. Check for unusual software. Restart your PC and the Riot client. If the problem persists, consider scanning of malware or looking for suspicious activities in the task manager. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.